Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this
stand by
channel
what you have said
and
yesterday.
press like. When
And
you
that is why
subscribe, you'll be
the
able to
electorate
get
will
notifications
blame you.
each time we post.
People
Okay?
come and tell you all
Love
kinds
you
of
guys.
lies, and you listen to them. At least St. Paul's Cathedral, people are enjoying the flyover, isn't it? I'm not enjoying the flyover now. You say Nigeria is not right for Muslim ticket. I agree. But Nigeria is right for presidency to remain in one zone. I mean, just look at the insult. You blow hot and cold. If you know, yes, that is wrong. That's why Nigerians also say it is wrong for presidency to remain in one zone. And most of you, you don't sit there, you don't ask yourself question. Somebody coming to sell this kind of cheap ideas. You will not ask the same person. I agree with what you are saying. I agree with you. I agree. But look at now what we are saying here. Your party is having presidential candidate. Your party is having the national chairman. Your party wants the president to go to the same zone that President Buhari is coming out from. Who is cheating who? People should shine your eyes, shine your eyes. If you want to do the right thing, let us do the right thing. If you don't want to do the right thing, then come out and plainly to say you don't want to do the right thing. He who seeks equity must come with clean hands. He must come out with clean hands.